How's it going, bros? My name is and welcome to so I'm gonna show you one of my Christmas gifts. I can't still open this because oh no, wait, I'm sorry, bros. So I got 29 gifts, a 27 cash register. My brother gave me this, and it's so sweet. Sweet smell. A berry blush and pure cotton. Next up, it's like for Marzia. I want to give it to Marzia, but I don't know if it's the right size, but it's mine. See, it's like flower, white. Next, I got this Monster High. The first of all, it's like for Avril Lavigne. Monster High. Hey, Yils. See that? See that? Pretty much. I'm gonna wear that if it's already winter. I don't know if here in Philippines go in winter. No yet. I want to go in Saudi Arabia. It's so winter there. So I got also this cash register, and yeah. So I'm gonna record vlogs at 12 o'clock. I'm gonna wait 11 hours. I'm gonna open these gifts. I already wanna open it, man. I already wanna. Because it's very special for me. It's very cool, and you know. So yeah, happy holidays, bros. I'm gonna wait 11 hours so I can open this, and while recording it, and I'm gonna post it on YouTube, and everyone will subscribe me, right? I don't know. So yay! Keep smiling. Keep looking at it. I really want to open this. I already got 27 gifts. Last year I only got 24 gifts. I'm so sad, but it's okay because I really like my gifts last year because I got this Pini Ponytail, and yeah. Right now, I'm very sick of it. I'm very sick. Why every time I'm always sick when it's always night? I mean, it's very early, and when Christmas, I always chew, and what? I keep doing that. So hey, Merry Christmas, bros. Later, when 12 o'clock, yeah, Santa power. Anyway, like and enjoy. Subscribe for more today, and I'll see you whatever I make. Stay awesome, bros. Bye. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Bye. Breakfast.